So notice on boot up, this says Evinrude features have been enabled, so we can just hit OK. We hit accept, of course, to get through the disclaimers. We're going to remind me later for the registration because we're not the guys, right? So this is just a radar screen right now, okay? So we're going to get through all that stuff. But here's our page button, okay? So we can get through different kinds of things. So here's our Evinrude button. Go back there, hit the Evinrude button, boom. So we can see our trim is at 17%. We've got fuel gallons per hour, speed over ground, RPM. So now if we had any kinds of codes, if we needed to do any kinds of adjustments, things like that, all this can be done right on this screen. It does talk about it in your Lowrance manual. However, there's excellent stuff on YouTube about it, okay? So for example, here's all our stuff again: system, services, navigation chart, sonar, autopilot, fuel, and alarms. So these are a whole bunch of settings you're going to want to go through when you set up your stuff. So for example, we just want to look at our side scan, our sonar, our down scan, right? If we had autopilot, we can go steer, right? There's a little simulator in here. You can look up all your waypoints. So for example, if I just go sonar, we're not going to see too much in here, but it's charting nothing because we're of course out of the water, right? Again, back to pages. This is pretty simple stuff. It's just like using any other computer device, okay? So if you want to change your page layout, you can just move things all any way you want. So like I say, there's all kinds of stuff you can do here, but again, it's all hooked into the Evinrude, and if our engine was on, it would literally give us all this stuff. So for example here, we can notice our trim assist is on and our integrated power steering is set to high. So that's the easiest setting for us to steer, okay? And then we've got, we can add more stuff on here if we want. So you can pull things into that screen. But again, just go through the Lowrance owner's manual.